Hi guys, what's up? Tim Queen in the house, and today I'm going to share with you what you can do as a college freshman with no work experience if you want to connect with future work opportunities on LinkedIn and you don't want to get your connection request ignored. So it's really important when you don't have any work experience, you don't have a really impressive CV that you can fall up onto. You have to create and really work on your LinkedIn profile. You have to optimize it from A to Z, put in a professional picture. For your picture, make sure that you'll make yourself look older than you are. You can't just take a party picture, buy yourself a suit, take a professional headshot picture, make sure that you look the age so people will take you more seriously. People are much more serious, much more likely to reply to you when they feel like you're like on the same age as them. And the second thing that you have to make sure is when you're reaching out to them, you have to make sure that they don't take your age and use it against you. That means you have to prove to them that you are a mature person who is worth to listen to, worth reading to. And the best way you can do that is by creating professional content using the LinkedIn publishing platform, putting out a couple of articles as a LinkedIn article, or share some articles that you published on your website about a content in your field and that's really relevant and related to the people you want to reach out to. Share a couple of posts, video posts, text posts, photo posts, and then once you have optimized your LinkedIn profile and you have done a couple of articles, a couple of videos about something that's really interesting, then you can reach out to someone, and what you want to do is you want to ask them for their professional opinion. Don't ask for anything. Don't ask them for an internship. Don't ask them to make an introduction to anyone. You just ask them for their opinion as a professional. People love to hear when you want to hear their feedback. Ask them something about the research that you're doing on a new article, and because they're working in this field, because they have this job title, you want to know how they are handling this in practice. This will get a reply in almost 95% of all the cases, and from that point on you can build a real relationship, and then over time you can turn this relationship and ask them like for a small favor after you have like developed this over a couple of times. And that's the best way how you can get your LinkedIn connections accepted, how you can build a real relationship, and how you can get people to make introductions for an interview, for like an internship in your dream company. So let me know in the comments what you think about reaching out on LinkedIn as a college freshman. So if you like this video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I'll see you in the next one.